Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to type an affidavit in Microsoft Word. First, let's prepare your document. Open a new blank document in Microsoft Word. Navigate to the Layout tab and set your page margins to 1 inch on all sides. This is a standard legal requirement. Next, select a professional, legible font such as Times New Roman or Arial, ensuring the font size is 12 points. Finally, configure your paragraph settings to single spacing with an automatic double space between paragraphs, which helps maintain readability for legal documents. After setting up your document, you need to add the main title and caption. Type Affidavit in all capital letters, center it, and make it bold, usually in 14-point font, to stand out clearly. Below this, include the full name of the court where the affidavit will be filed, for instance, the district court for your county. Then, add the specific case number and the names of all parties involved in the legal action, properly designating who is the plaintiff and who is the defendant, aligning this information to the left margin. Now, let's move to the main body of your affidavit. Begin by stating your full legal name, your residential address, and your declaration that the following statements are true and accurate to the best of your knowledge. Each distinct fact or statement should be in its own numbered paragraph. Start each paragraph with a number, like 1 point or 2 point, followed by your factual statement. Ensure every detail you include is based on your direct personal observation or experience, making the document credible and legally sound. The final sections of your affidavit are critical for its legal validity. After the last numbered paragraph, create a signature block. Type dated this day of month, year, followed by a line for the affiant's signature, and underneath that, the typed name of the affiant. Below the affiant's signature, add a distinct section for the notary public. This section typically includes lines for the notary's signature, their printed name, their commission expiration date, and a space for their official seal, ensuring the document is properly witnessed and sworn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.